Today we're gonna see how to build a sentence from a verb. Musi tugiye kureba ukuntu wakubaka interuro uhereye kuri verb. We're gonna see how to build the sentence from one verb up to a full sentence. Tugiye kureba uburyo wakubaka interuro uhereye kuri verb ukageza ku interuro nziza wakoresha mu buzima busanzwe. I am ndi, I am tired, I am tired, ndananiwe. I am tired today, I am tired today, ndananiwe uyu munsi. I am tired today because of work. I am tired today because of work. Ndananiwe uyu munsi kubera akazi. Next, to go. I'm going, ndagiye cyangwa se ngiye kugenda. I'm going to leave, ngiye kugenda. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave soon, ngiye kugenda mu kanya. I'm going to leave soon. I'm going to leave soon, wait for me here until when I will back. I'm going to leave soon, wait for me here until when I will back. Ngiye kugenda mu kanya, untegereze hano kugeza igihe ndazira. I'm going to leave soon, wait for me here until when I will back. To need. Need ni ugukenera. Need. Ndakiye kubyumva n'abantu benshi bavuga ngo I need you, ndagukeneye. So, I need, ndakenera cyangwa se nkeneye. I need help, nkeneye ubufasha. I need help, nkeneye ubufasha. I need help now, nkeneye ubufasha nonaha. I need help now, nkeneye ubufasha nonaha. I need help now, please help me. I need help now, please help me. Nkeneye ubufasha nonaha, ndakwinginze fasha. I need help now, please help me. Nkeneye ubufasha nonaha, ndakwinginze fasha. I can, nshobora. I can come, nshobora kuza. I can come tomorrow, nshobora kuza mu gitondo. I can come tomorrow if you want, nshobora kuza mu gitondo niba ubishaka. Next is it's necessary, ni ingirakamaro. It's necessary, ni ingirakamaro. It's necessary to work, ni ingirakamaro gukora. It's necessary to work, ni ingirakamaro gukora. It's necessary to work hard, ni ingirakamaro gukora cyane. It's necessary to work hard, ni ingirakamaro gukora cyane. It is necessary to work hard if you want to succeed, ni ingirakamaro gukora cyane niba ushaka gutsinda. Next is to speak, kuvuga. To speak, kuvuga. He speaks, aravuga. He speaks, aravuga. He speaks English, avuga icyongereza. He speaks English, avuga icyongereza. He speaks English with his friends, avuga icyongereza hamwe n'inshuti ze. He speaks English with his friends. He speaks English with his friends every day, avuga icyongereza buri gihe kumwe n'inshuti ze. Iyo dukoresha simple present kuri she, he na it twongeraho s kuri verb. Next is like, gukunda. They like, barakunda. They like, barakunda. They like to work, bakunda gukora. They like to work on their own. They like to work on their own, bakunda gukora bonyine. Hari abantu baba bakunda kwikubira ibintu byose, ugasanga buri kintu cyose abashaka kukijyamo wenyine, ntago abashaka ko n'abagenzi be bagira ikintu babonaho. So uravuga ngo they like to work on their own. Ari umuntu umwe wavuga ngo he likes to work on his own. He likes to work on his own, akunda gukora wenyine. They like to work on their own at work. They like to work on their own at work, bakunda gukora bonyine mu kazi. I don't like, sinkunda. I don't like running. I don't like run, sinkunda kwirukanka. I don't like running in the morning. I don't like running in the morning, sinkunda kwirukanka mu gitondo. I don't like run in the morning when it's cold. I understand. I understand, ndabyumva. I understand. I understand little, numva gakeya. I understand little English. I understand little English, numva icyongereza gikeya. I understand little English. I understand little English but not everything, numva icyongereza gikeya ariko ntago ari buri kimwe. I understand little English but not everything, numva icyongereza gikeya ariko ntago ari buri kintu cyose. Hari ukuntu bumva icyongereza gikeya ariko utumva buri kintu cyose umuntu avuze. So uravuga ngo I understand little English but not everything. She can't ntago ashobora. She can't ntago ashobora. She can't come ntago ashobora kuza. She can't come tonight ntago ashobora kuza iri joro, cyangwa se ntago byamushobokera ko aza iri joro. She can't come tonight in our party ntago ashobora kuza iri joro mu kirori cyacu. She can't come tonight in our party. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying. I will keep bringing lessons like this, teach you how to build the sentences. So nimba kunzi video, subscribe and leave a comment, and then see you next time. May God bless you.